Welcome to SpendFlow. In the next 3 minutes, you'll learn how to navigate the core features that transform expense tracking from a tedious chore into strategic business intelligence. Let's get you up to speed. First, let's start fresh. Head to your receipts screen. If you see any old test receipts or sample data here, go ahead and delete them now. This ensures your reports and analytics reflect only your actual expenses. Now, let's explore the More screen, your control center. This is where you'll find most of your configuration tools. Here, you can manage your team, invite members, assign roles, and control permissions. Whether you're an owner with full access or assigning users to specific clients, you can set up your organizational dimensions, clients, vendors, trips, or events, so every expense automatically flows to the right place. Set up budget tracking with alerts, so you're never caught off guard by overspending. Configure expense policies that catch violations the moment a receipt is scanned, not weeks later during reimbursement. Set amount limits by category, flag items that need approval, and enforce your company's spending rules automatically. Now, the settings screen. This is where you fine-tune your personal experience. Customize categories, set your preferences, and adjust how data displays for you. And when it's time to export, you'll configure your accounting software format. QuickBooks, Xero, Sage, Excel, all from here. Back to the dashboard, your financial command center. At a glance, you see spending trends, budget status, and organizational breakdowns. Multi-dimensional filters let you view expenses by client, by vendor, by trip, or by event instantly. Color-coded budget alerts tell you what's on track, what needs attention, and what's over budget, so you can act, not react. Now, let's capture an expense. Tap Scan, Point, and Shoot. Our AI reads the merchant, amount, date, and tax, categorizing it in seconds. It automatically assigns to the right client or trip. And here's where it gets smart. Duplicate detection. If you accidentally scan the same receipt twice, SpendFlow catches it immediately and alerts you, preventing costly double entries. If a receipt violates your expense policies, you'll see it flagged right here, ready for approval workflow. Finally, let's talk insights. Our AI reports analyze your spending patterns, showing you where costs spike, which vendors offer the best value, and where you can negotiate better terms. Entity analytics drills down further. See per-client profitability for CPA firms, route-level margins for transportation companies, or vendor concentration risk for manufacturers. This isn't just expense tracking, it's strategic intelligence. You're all set. Start exploring, scan your first receipt, and discover how SpendFlow turns expenses into insights.